Golem Chess, how to play. The rules are the same as regular chess, except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. Replace queens with golems. Golems move up to 2 squares in a straight line in any direction. It takes 2 captures in order to remove a golem from the board. The first capture removes the capturing piece from the board, and the defending golem is marked. When captured again, the golem is removed and the capturing piece takes its spot. If an unmarked golem captures another unmarked golem, then the capturing golem is marked and the other is removed from the board. However, golems may not capture an opposing golem if it is 2 squares away and protected by another piece, unless there is no other legal move. Additionally, when you capture an opponent's golem, then, on their very next turn, your opponent may not capture a golem you control with any piece that is not a golem. Pawns may promote to a golem, or may still promote to a queen if you want. The first player to checkmate their opponent wins.